Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Hope you enjoy it. We're here at Bershka looking for some iconic clothes. Just promoting myself in those tablets, I guess. I really wonder if someone saw these and checked my channel or something. Bu internette baktım. These platforms were my absolute favorite, and I just love how they're so flashy and like silky. I wanted to get them so badly, but I have nowhere to wear them, so
I wanna make you breakfast every day. If you tell me it's okay.
Later we came to a Korean restaurant because I was craving some sotok, and it just tastes so good, you guys. You really have to try it if you have any chance. Now I'm heading to my campus to explore some Chinese culture and celebrate the Lunar New Year. They have this mat here where you only use water, but it looks like ink, so when it dries up, it goes blank again.
It is the grandest and the most important festival for Chinese people.
We're trying to write this character in Chinese calligraphy, and it has meanings like happiness, blessing, and good fortune. They put these up on their doors for 1 year of good luck. And now, it's time for the Chinese tea ceremony. The traditional ceremony has lots of steps with a lot of details. It's my second time having it and I really like the taste. It has a subtle chestnut flavor in it, and it just tastes so good. Evet ya. Pahalı olduğu anlaşılıyor. Harika takıntılıyım. There are some Chinese characters at the bottom of the cups, but we couldn't tell what it said. Afterwards, we came to play billiards with my friends. It's actually so fun even though we suck at it.